Hey everyone, so today I have with me my midnight iPhone 13 mini to be paired with the midnight colored Apple leather case. Normally I don't buy Apple cases just because they're so overly expensive, but somehow I found this on Amazon, straight from Amazon, for just $24.99. So in this video today, I'm just going to be doing a quick unboxing and my first impressions of this leather case. And as you know, leather cases will wear or patina over time to get a very special look. So I'll have a future update on that, but let's go ahead and just take a look at the box that it comes in. So you can see on the back here, it shows the details of this case as well as what compatible model it is for. And it does list the color. You can see midnight right there. So as with a lot of Apple products, it tends to have a true to size kind of image on the front, and you can see that it matches pretty much exactly with my iPhone 13 mini here. So to get this out of its packaging, you just give it a sharp little tug. There's no seals or tape or anything like that, and you can see right away is the actual leather case itself. Just behind it, there's nothing else really besides just an image of what is the recommended way of installing the case, which is from the left, inserting the volume buttons first. And then there is a little bit of paperwork here, so this little slip is very minimal. Most of it is just translation into other languages. But it reads, this case is made with high quality supple leather to protect your iPhone. Leather is a natural material, and like a fine leather belt, it may show creases, marks, or a patina over time. Interaction with MagSafe accessories will leave slight imprints. I'm sure that last bit is just to let people know of the dangers of using this with MagSafe, so I'll be testing that out, of course, myself, because I do plan to use MagSafe accessories. And then this next sheet of paper is just the obligatory regulatory information, warranty, safety, that sort of stuff. Okay, so you know now exactly what to expect when you buy one of these brand new. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the case itself and what it offers. So first thing I notice is that the color doesn't match the base back of the Midnight, but rather it matches the glass part where the camera cutouts are situated. The back has a nice texture to it with the Apple logo imprint in the center. The cutout for the camera is raised in black line to prevent any glare from flash photography. The power and volume buttons are covered and raised, and the material is made out of metal, which feels very similar to the original buttons on the iPhone themselves, so that's a nice little Apple touch there. And they do have the appropriate size cutouts for the mute switch, the lightning charging port, and the speaker cutouts. Inside is a really nice soft lining so that you don't have to worry about it scratching up your phone. Also inside you can find the imprints with iPhone, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China, and some faint markings showing where the MagSafe magnets are. Let's get this onto my iPhone 13 mini here. So let me follow the manufacturer's instruction of inserting the left side first and then pressing down. You can see there's a little black ring that shows up once it makes a little bit of contact with the MagSafe case, which is a nice indication that you are indeed using a genuine Apple MagSafe product. With the case on, I can see there's a little bit of a lip on the front so that it'll prevent direct contact of your screen with whatever surface your phone is placed on, so that's nice. It's not a huge lip though compared to other cases I've tried. Then looking at the back, there is still the protrusion of the camera cutout, so your phone still will not lay perfectly flat on a flat surface, but it does help to give a tactile difference between the rest of the case and the actual camera cutout. All the raised buttons, volume rocker, and the power button work very smoothly, and the cutouts are just big enough that I can easily access things like the mute switch. And those cutouts for the bottom are very nice compared to the completely open design of previous leather Apple cases. Though this does mean it's slightly more difficult to remove the case, so I do need to press upon the camera cutout to get it off, but it's not overly difficult at all. I do love the MagSafe feature built into this case so that I can securely charge and mount my iPhone on a MagSafe compatible accessory like this one right here. And I know in the packaging it warns that it will probably leave some marks, but so far it's pretty good. My other case that I have, the Spigen, it definitely did leave a little bit of marks when I just put it on, but it does go away after time, so I'm curious to see how this will hold up after constant use of using MagSafe accessories. But that'll just be something I have to update you all later, so definitely subscribe to this channel if you aren't already. Make sure you hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.